to the Python tutorial. In our previous video, we had seen how can we create a series given a list and how can we create a data frame using these series. In today's video, we will try to find out how can we add a series externally to a data frame. That implies that given the particular column names that we already have, how can we add another column to our data frame? We shall also look at how do missing values appear in the data frame. Let's import a pandas package in order to run our codes. We had seen how we created our student series as well as our score series. The result gave us the index, the student name as well as the scores in the form of a data frame. Now suppose if we want to add the column age to it. Here you can see that I have created a list of age. As we all know that series is basically a list of values. Here we are creating or we are merging this particular column age to the data frame result. The name of my data frame is result and age is the name of the column that I want to merge in the existing data frame. And this we do by creating a series using the list that I just created called age. If we print this result, we see that the column age gets added or merged in our existing data frame. Now suppose if we did not have one particular age or say the age of a particular student was missing from the list that I had. Say age was just 3 values. Then do you think that we will be getting all the ages correctly and there'll be no missing values in my data frame? Let us see what we get as a result. Here, each and every student has the age that we had written in the list. However, for Bosco, none appears. None implies that there is no value available for this particular student name. And you would say that the age list has mapped itself to each and every student name. However, because there was nothing to map with the student name Bosco, the age appears to be not available. I hope I'm able to clear these concepts on how to create data frames and how can we add a series externally to a data frame. Keep watching our YouTube channel for more videos on Python. Thank you.